Welcome to my channel. Linksys Extender Setup RE7000. 1. Unbox and plug in. Unpack the Linksys RE7000 extender, and plug it into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power light to stabilize. 2. Connect to the extender, on your device, phone or laptop. Go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, e.g., Linksys Extender Setup. 3. Open a browser. Launch a browser and enter http://extender.linksys.com in the address bar to access the setup page. 4. Start setup. Click Start Setup and choose the Wi-Fi range extender option when prompted. 5. Select your Wi-Fi network. From the list of available networks, select your main Wi-Fi network, SSID. 6. Enter Wi-Fi password. Input your router's Wi-Fi password to establish a connection with the extender. 7. Set up extender settings. Customize the extender's SSID, if desired, or leave it to mirror your main network. 8. Relocate the extender. Once configured, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. 9. Check LED lights. Ensure the extender's signal indicator light shows a stable connection. Refer to the manual for color codes. 10. Test the connection. Connect a device to the extended network and browse to confirm the extender is working correctly. Thank you for watching.